Imagine a simple crayon drawing by your child transforming into a captivating masterpiece that resembles a famed artist's work. This is no longer just a fantasy, but a reality thanks to the advancements in AI technology. Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore how to use ChatGPT to take your child's art from ordinary to extraordinary. In this new era, creativity meets technology, enabling parents and children to see their artwork in a whole new light. Many parents deeply cherish their children's artistic creations, each drawing or painting holding special meaning. However, they often feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of artwork that accumulates over time and struggle to find meaningful ways to preserve and celebrate those precious memories. The vibrant imagination a child pours into their drawings is often fleeting, quickly forgotten as new creations take their place. Parents long for a way to honor, preserve, and celebrate these unique expressions, turning them into lasting memories that can be cherished for years to come. Enter ChatGPT, a powerful tool that not only understands your child's artistic vision but can enhance and elevate it to new creative heights. The process is simple. Ask your child to describe their artwork, including the colors, shapes, emotions, and the unique story behind each piece. Input these descriptions into ChatGPT, which will generate innovative reimagined versions of their drawings. This step not only respects their creativity but enhances it, turning simple sketches into stunning pieces reminiscent of famous art styles. Let's explore some exciting examples of how children's art has been transformed using ChatGPT. This first piece began as a simple drawing of a dinosaur park. Now, it's reimagined with stunning pastel tones and intricate details, bringing to life a dreamlike scene reminiscent of Monet's masterpieces. Notice how the introduction of light and depth adds a whole new dimension to the artwork. Here's another transformation. A simple stick figure ballet dancer evolves into a breathtaking Degas-inspired masterpiece. Each creation is unique, showcasing the incredible imaginative power of AI artistry. And there you have it, from crayon sketches to AI-enhanced masterpieces. With ChatGPT, merging your child's boundless creativity with advanced technology becomes a seamless process, turning every drawing into a treasured memory that can be preserved, celebrated, and cherished for a lifetime. We'd love to hear what you think about these amazing AI artworks. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, subscribe to AIVeda for more exciting content on blending creativity with technology, and explore our other videos to discover fun and inspiring ways to use AI at home. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to AIVeda for more inspiring content that blends creativity with the power of technology. Stay tuned and keep exploring fun, meaningful ways to nurture imagination through the wonders of AI.